How's it going, everyone? So today I got a 2020 Ford F-150. This is a 5.0. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil light. So you're going to put the ignition on, of course. You're going to be working with this key pad right here. As you can see right there, change engine oil soon. You're going to press OK, back out. So we're going to be pressing the back button. Scroll down to settings. We're going to scroll down to advanced settings, and then we're going to go to vehicle, scroll down to oil life reset, press OK. Then we're going to hold OK, and you see the bar go up, so you hit 100%, let go. Then we're going to go back to the home page, especially if you're doing this for a customer. Scroll up, display mode, back to where it was. Hope this helped. Have a good one.